Now we will learn about how to create the company and how to select the options. When we install the Tally, then by default no company is created. If we want to create the company, then we have to press on the create company option or press C key in keyboard. Now we can see company creation form. In this form, we can see firstly directory. This option is used that in which directory the company information is stored. By default, Tally is stored in C drive. Next, name. Here I am giving company name, that is Edusoft. Next one is mailing name. Here we have to give the name that which it will appear on printouts and reports. In name, simply I gave Edusoft, but in mailing name I am giving Edusoft Learning Systems. Next one is statutory compliance for. Here we have to select country name. Now I am selecting India. Next we have to select state. I am selecting Andhra Pradesh. And next we have to give PIN code and then telephone number. Next we have to select currency symbol. Now I am selecting rupees, and we can also create other currencies also. And here we can select accounts only or accounts with inventory option. Now I am selecting accounts with inventory option. Here we have to give financial year. Now I am giving 1/4/2008. Next one is books beginning from. By default we have the date 1/4/2008, and we can adjust the date for maintained books. Next one is Tally World password. Here we can give password if we want. Now press enter key. And next one is use security control. Here I am giving yes. Then it will ask password when we open the company. Here we have to give name of administrator, that is Edusoft, and here I am giving password, and again we have to repeat the same password here. And if we want to show the Tally audit features, then we have to select yes, otherwise we have to give no. Now I am selecting no. Next one is base currency information. Here we have to select base currency symbol rupees. Next one is formal name Indian rupee. And next one is numbers of decimal place. Here we have to select the decimal points. By default we have 2 points. And next one is symbol suffixed to amounts. This option is used to suffix the RS to amount. Now I am selecting. Next one is symbol for decimal portion. For example, 50.50. Here 0.50 means 50 pies according to the Indian currency. So here I am selecting pies. Next one is show amounts in millions. If we want to show the amounts in million, then we have to select yes, otherwise we have to select no. If we want to give space between amount and symbols, then we have to select yes, otherwise we can select no. Here we have to select the decimal place for print the amount in words. For every option we have to click enter key, and finally it will ask accept yes or no. Now we have to click on yes through mouse or press Y key in keyboard. We have given the security control so that we have to give name of user and password. Now we can see gateway of tally of the company, and here company name which we created now, current period, current date, and here we can see the date of last entry, but now we didn't record the entry. Later we will learn about the options in gateway of tally. If we want to shut down the company, then we have to select Alt F1, and again we can select the company. Here we have only one company, so I am selecting Edusoft, and again we have to give username and password. Then a particular company is opened. When we click on the Alt F3, then we can get company information, and finally click on Quit.